Hi folks, Mark here, Views from Mark, and in today's video, you've guessed it, it's another unboxing. So folks, as always, I hope wherever you are in the world that you're keeping very safe, healthy and well. I hope that 2022 has had a good start for you so far. We're in the 60th anniversary year of Bond, 60 years since the release of Dr. No. Hard to believe where all the time has gone, but it's going to be a great year hopefully for events, for celebrations and for more brand collaborations between Bond and the brands that we know and love. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of an N.Peal item that I got towards the tail end of 2021. But just before we get started, to do a quick watch check, today I'm wearing the Spectre limited edition Seamaster, and in terms of clothing, I'm actually wearing something that was the subject of my last unboxing of an item from N.Peal. This is the Goldfinger inspired short-sleeved polo in cashmere. Super soft, super comfortable. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link up in the corner and also in the description below if you want to go and check that out. It's well worth it. I would recommend it. Obviously I'm biased, but there is an amazing story of the customer service which actually led to me being able to purchase this polo when it was completely sold out online and everywhere else. But anyway, today's item is from N.Peal and their James Bond collection. Again, they've got a fantastic lineup of items on there. You know, they've really knocked it out of the park, both in doing heritage pieces, taking inspiration from the past, as well as continuing to do some of the modern items that they've got that you see in the likes of No Time to Die. So you can still get, at the time of this video, the combat trousers, the ribbed sweater, navy sweater that Bond is wearing in his kind of commando piece at the end of No Time to Die, as well as the braces, and they also do their own take on the long-sleeved Henley that Bond is wearing at the very end of the film. Although if you want screen accurate, just to be a bit picky, if you want screen accurate, the one that he wears in the film is a rag and bone Henley. That's lovely as well. But yeah, N.Peal have a fantastic lineup of stuff. This item is actually from 1973's Live and Let Die. Or at least it's inspired by Live and Let Die in 1973, and this is the 007 Classic Polo Neck Sweater. Now, as I'm going to open this, you'll get an idea of what I'm talking about, but this is 100% cashmere, and this is actually taken from towards the tail end of the film, and this is why I say, you know, N.Peal are famous for doing jumpers, sweaters, knitwear, stuff that you would kind of associate with autumn and winter. So why am I doing this video as we're heading into spring? Well, this is an item that Bond wears in the Caribbean. He wears it when he goes to San Monique to rescue Solitaire and kind of put disruptive movements into Dr. Kananga's plan and, you know, destroying the poppy fields. So it is an item that you can wear, or at least Bond has worn, in a hotter, tropical, more humid climate. I haven't actually had a chance to wear this sweater yet, and it's been sat in the drawer. I've wanted to wear it, and at the moment here in the UK, whilst the weather and the temperature has picked up, last week we had snow, so there's still a bit of chill in the air, and I think this is a sweater that I'm going to be breaking out in this next coming week or so as we kind of head further into spring. So anyway, without further ado, let's get to the unboxing and take a look at this item. So as I'm sure you will all be very familiar by now, the presentation that N.Peal put into these items when they package them up for you in the store, or even if they post them out to you, you'll get items that are unbelievably well packaged. So you get this lovely presentation box. You can see there the N.Peal logo with the 007 Classic trademark underneath. Obviously N.Peal established in 1936, and it comes in this lovely matte black box with the silver lettering embossed on the top, and also this lovely ribbon. So we'll go ahead and undo this ribbon work, which as you can see is really well done. And then this box actually has almost, it's not a metal hinged lid, but it is a magnetic lid. There, if I pop the side there, you can see, and then it snaps back in place. So even when you're storing these items in your drawers, you know, they're going to be kept pretty well sealed. So then, without further ado, to open up the packaging inside, obviously you get your lovely item is expertly wrapped and packaged in this lovely branded 007 tissue paper. You've got a couple of 007 stickers on the side here as well, kind of keeping it all together. But what I will do is I will lift this out, close the lid again, and then place this down, so hopefully we can get a couple of shots as I'll slide this sweater out. So this is it. It's only once you get it out of the box and the packaging that you can start to kind of get a sense of what it is you've purchased. And I mean, the first thing you notice as soon as you're taking it out of that wrapping paper out of the box is just how ridiculously soft and, you know, quality material that has been used. So this is 100% cashmere, and it shows, you can tell. I mean, so as I'll open up the jumper like this, or the sweater, you can see obviously there is the long neck piece, and then you have the main body of the sweater, and obviously the arms. This is a size small. I usually go for a size small from N.Peal. 100% cashmere. This is an homage piece to the one that Roger Moore was wearing at the end of Live and Let Die, where he's going to Dr. Kananga's island in San Monique to the poppy fields to take care of those and also rescue Solitaire. But I think really the only thing left to do is to try it on. So there we have it. This is the 007 Classic Polo Neck Sweater from Live and Let Die, the homage piece from N.Peal. I've said this about so many, if not all, of the products that I've purchased from N.Peal over the past couple of years. Ridiculously soft, doesn't even come close. I mean, there is nothing better than the feel of cashmere and pure cashmere, and the quality of this cashmere is second to none. It really is, and I'm not just saying that because I'm wearing it, but it's mind-blowing. It's so soft, so comfortable. I've got full range of movement. As you can see, it doesn't pinch or pull anywhere. It feels really comfortable across the back of the shoulders. Yeah, I'm really pleased with this. I'm getting quite warm now already. I'm sat in my recording space, which is a conservatory, so it does act like a bit of a greenhouse. So whilst I'm getting warm, and this is a jumper or sweater, as I said earlier, we see Bond wearing this or something very similar, this kind of design, in the Caribbean when he's on San Monique, you know, taking care of business. So it is something you can wear in different environments, and certainly this sweater is going to be, and is in fact, going to be ideal for spring and autumn and winter. You know, if you have like a thermal vest under this during winter, it's going to be ideal and keep you nice and snug and warm. And also I love how the wrists, you know, some jumpers stretch over time, so I'm hoping this won't. None of my others, to be fair, none of my other N.Peal items have stretched, so I've not got any worries about that, but it keeps a nice profile along your arm and your wrist. And equally, even if you've got a chunky watch on it, as in today's case I've got the Spectre, you can just do a pop and it pops out. It looks great. I think it feels really comfortable, really warm, really soft. It gives you that perfect, smart, casual look at the same time. I think you could equally wear this in the office or going out for dinner somewhere, maybe paired with a nice blazer, or if you were off to deliver some chocolates to a lovely lady, like the Milk Tray Man. I don't know if that reference will carry, but here in the UK there were adverts in the 90s and the 80s and maybe even the 70s of the Milk Tray Man, and he basically wore all black and one of these very high-necked sweaters. So yeah, anyway, it will come in handy for any kind of covert operations like that, or if you want to play the part of looking like a Swedish architect and, you know, get some even thinner framed glasses wearing a black sweater like this. It's just a really cool jumper. Gives you a really cool look, I think. Great feel, great fit, very comfortable, as I've said. So in my personal opinion, and I'm not sponsored by N.Peal, I'm not paid by N.Peal, I haven't been sent this or anything else, by N.Peal to review. This is completely my own opinion, but I'm absolutely in love with all the stuff that they've done so far that I've been lucky enough to be able to get my hands on. So thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this brief video. I will be returning soon with some different content based around my watch collection, as well as doing some more collaboration pieces with members of, say, the Bond fan community, but you know, just other great content creators. Hopefully we'll be doing some more collaboration pieces together, so do stay tuned for that. If you haven't already, please do give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the little bell that's next to it, which will give you a notification whenever I post something new. It would be great to have you as a part of this channel, and if you've got any comments on this item or any ideas or thoughts or questions, do leave them in the comment section below. But until the next time, as always, stay safe, healthy, stay well, and I will catch you all very soon. Thanks very much. Goodbye.